Hi everyone. In today's session, we will see how to take screenshot in Selenium WebDriver. Okay. So first of all, let's discuss why we need screenshot in Selenium WebDriver, right? Why we capture a screenshot in WebDriver, right? So actually, it helps us in debugging. Okay. Let's say your script is failing and you are not sure that why your script failed. Okay, and let's suppose in your script you are performing some login operation, and when you are trying to enter email in your email box and it's throwing some error like element is not visible. Okay, or you are not able to enter password or any issue, or you are not able to click on login button, right? And in this case your script will fail, right? And once your script failed, if you capture the screenshot of your web page, it will show you whether you are on that page or not. Okay, maybe there is some issue with the web page, it's not loading, maybe that element is not visible, right? If you capture the screenshot and you see that once your script is failed, you will see that this element is visible on the web page, then you will think that there is some issue with the locator that we provided in the Selenium. Okay, so screenshot just helps in debugging of Selenium script. Okay, so let's do code how to take screenshot in Selenium WebDriver. Let me launch Eclipse. Okay, in last session we have seen how to launch Chrome browser and how to launch Stack Overflow website on Chrome browser. Okay, so I will just use the same code here. Okay, and if you are not aware about how to launch Chrome browser and how to open website in Selenium WebDriver, please visit my previous sessions. Okay, and after opening website, I'm just clicking on login button. Okay, now here we will write the code to take a screenshot in Selenium WebDriver. Okay, so to take a screenshot, you need three steps in Selenium WebDriver. Let me tell you. First is convert WebDriver object to takes screenshot project. Okay. Second point is call get screenshot as method. Okay. Now just save this file in your local machine. On your local machine, you have to perform these three operations. Okay. So let me show you how to do that. We will use first of all, first step is convert vector object to takes a screenshot object. Let me create that. Takes a screenshot. Okay, you can name as screenshot is equal to takes screenshot pass driver here. Okay, now second step is call get screenshot as method. So we need to use this object screenshot dot get screenshot as. Okay, here you have to pass output type dot file. Okay, and output of this method is file. Okay, so we need to create one object here, output of file. Okay, now this is the first step and this is the second step. Okay, now third step is we have captured the screenshot in this file. This is just binary data. We need to save this file in our local machine with the extension of .png or .jpg. Okay, to do that we need to write one method, file handler. Okay, file handler, sorry, this method is provided by Selenium only. Okay, dot copy file, dot copy. Okay, now you will pass this captured file here, and you will pass the location of your local file with this object new file and path of your local directory. Okay, let me open my temp directory and let's create one new folder and name as Selenium screenshots. Okay, now I will copy the path of this location and will paste here. Okay, and I will just put the name of file which we want to save. Okay, let me put as one.png. Okay, now let me show you again. To take a screenshot, we need three steps. First is we need to convert object of driver to takes screenshot class. Okay, and this is the object. Second step is we need to use this object to get screenshot. Okay, and return type of get screenshot as method is file. So all the output will be saved to this file. Okay, now we have to save this file on our local machine. Okay, to do that we need to use this file handler method. Okay, file handler file handler is a class. To save this file on a local machine, we need to use this copy method of file handler. Okay, and first argument is the output file that we get from get screenshot as method. Okay, and this is the input file where we want to save this file. Okay, now let's run the scenario and it will save the captured screenshot in this file .1.png. Okay, let me open the directory. Right now it's empty. Okay, let me run the scenario. Run as, you know that how to run the Selenium scenario. Run as test.ng. Okay, so it's launching Chrome browser and it will launch Stack Overflow site, and it's clicking on login button. Yes, our script is done, and now let me show you the have a look. So it captured the screenshot and saved with the name of one.png. Let me open this file. This is the screenshot of login page. Okay, so in Selenium WebDriver, to capture screenshot you just need these three lines. Okay, first is converting driver object to take screenshot class, and then use this get screenshot as method, and third step is you need to copy this binary format file to your local file, that is either .png or .jpg. Okay, we can use jpg extension also. Okay, let me put jpg and let me run this again. Now it will save the file as one.jpg file. Okay, it's launching Chrome browser and it will launch Stack Overflow. Click on login button. Now it will capture the screenshot. So test case is done. Let me switch to the folder. Have a look. Now it created a new file with the one.jpg file. Okay, you can save the file with any extension. Okay, have a look. In the last execution we have saved the file with one.png file. In the current execution we have saved the file with one.jpg. Okay, in both the extensions we are getting the file. Okay, so if you want to take a screenshot in Selenium, you just need these three lines. That's all for today. Thank you so much.